Grok cropped, mini shocked, enhanced photo with the Grok AI. I'm gonna show you real quick, no buzz, free of cost as for now. Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. Don't you dare skip the video. New to channel, subscribe for more videos just like this one. Tap on plus icon, choose image from gallery and type prompt. You can copy mine. Very easy, to the point and very short. Here is the first image within 5 seconds. Only 5 seconds for processing. Really fast in comparison to ChatGPT or Gemini. This is one of the fastest in my experience I have seen ever. The quality looks great. Overall, remove the noise, slightly change the light. You can optimize the prompt according to your requirement. So here's another image. This one is also come really quick. Within few seconds, the image looks really sharp, detailed. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. This is the video for today. No time wasting. To the point. Don't forget to check my video enhancer playlist. Subscribe for more videos just like this one.